Jellyfin versus Emby. Which streaming server is best? Choosing the right streaming server can make a huge difference in how you organize, stream, and enjoy your media. Jellyfin and Emby are two popular servers, each with unique strengths. Jellyfin is a completely open source server that handles movies, TV shows, music, and live TV without subscription fees. Emby offers a feature-rich platform with apps for multiple devices and optional premium features for advanced streaming, management, and mobile access. This comparison breaks down the key differences to help you decide which server fits your needs. Jellyfin is fully free and open source, supporting movies, TV shows, music, and live TV. It provides a web interface, mobile apps, and rich metadata support for organizing your media library. Jellyfin is ideal for users who want full control over their server without paying subscription fees. Jellyfin also offers live TV and DVR support, plugin capabilities, device-aware transcoding, and multi-user access with customizable permissions. It's perfect for households or communities looking for a full-featured self-hosted media server with total control over content. Emby is a media server platform designed for users who want polished apps and advanced streaming features. It supports movies, TV shows, music, and photos with rich metadata and easy organization. Emby provides apps for nearly every device, making it convenient for households that want to stream content across multiple screens. With Emby Premiere, the optional subscription, users gain features such as mobile sync, offline playback, cloud sync, live TV and DVR, and parental controls. Emby also offers plugins, advanced transcoding, and device optimizations, making it ideal for users who want convenience, polished apps, and extra functionality for an enhanced streaming experience. Feature comparison. Jellyfin excels for users who want a fully free, open-source media server capable of managing movies, TV, music, and live TV. Emby shines for users who prioritize polished apps, multi-device support, and optional premium features for advanced streaming. Jellyfin is best for households or communities that want self-hosted control without subscription fees. Emby is ideal for users who value convenience, device compatibility, and optional premium enhancements for a richer media experience. Final thoughts. If your priority is a free, fully self-hosted, and customizable media server, Jellyfin is the stronger choice. If you want a polished, multi-device streaming experience with optional premium upgrades, Emby is the better option. Your decision depends on whether you want full control and open source freedom or a more polished, feature-rich platform.